Hi everybody. So for social studies today, you should click this up here, 2020 semester 2 Rodriguez social studies. So you click it. It should be this purple, beautiful purple screen right here. You scroll down and today is April 16th. It's day 4 because it's Thursday. And you should be watching this video for your opening. And then for our mini lesson, we're going to read this article and we're going to take a quiz. So let's get started. We're reading this article right below this, okay? So let's start. The huge Great Victoria Desert stretches across southern Australia. It lies in the states of Western Australia and South Australia. Sand dunes cover much of the desert. In some places, a layer of tightly packed pebbles covers the ground. Summers in the Great Victoria Desert are very hot. Winters are cooler, and nighttime temperatures may drop below freezing. The desert gets only about 6 to 8 inches of rain each year. Scattered eucalyptus and Osei trees, shrubs, grasses grow in the desert. Skinks, geckos, monitor lizards, and copperhead snakes and other reptiles live here. Mice, dingoes, and foxes also make their home in the desert. Few people live in the Great Victoria Desert. The government of Australia uses parts of the desert for weapons testing. Some Aboriginal people live in the eastern regions. There are also several national parks in the desert, okay? And after you read this, I want you to scroll down here. Look at this, guys. It's important. Look at this map. This little red patch right here, that is the Great Victoria Desert, okay? It covers a lot of southern Australia and Western Australia. And it's right here, okay? So you're going to take a quiz and you need to know where it is. It's this patch that's at the very bottom of Australia, okay? Kind of in the middle and in the bottom. So that's the Great Victoria Desert. After you finish reading this, you're going to go up. You're going to click this button right here, Activities. You're going to click Quizzes. And my page might look a little bit different. You're going to click Great Victoria Desert Part 2 Quiz. After you click that, you can start your quiz, okay? So let's get started.